Yo, what is up guys? Back with another video. Today, we are checking out the Animal Company digging update. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. I already realized there is Easter Bunny, there's a drill, this, and this. Oh, what's this? Oh, I got an egg! Yay! This might have something to do with it. Let's see. Oh. Seismic activity. Dive underground, brave the dark, feed an addiction, blast through the shell. What the? Find 10 Easter eggs! Bro! 10? Okay. Let's see what else they added. Oh, they added the Space Monkey bundle. Did they add the moon back? They probably added the moon back. So since this is digging, I assume we need like a shovel or something. Do I have a shovel unlocked? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna need some items. We're gonna need so there's relaxing fun area. Oh, that sounds nice. I would love to go relax. Oh, the entrance is longer. Oh, they changed mines. I won't be able to get any research points. Live a little, dig a lot. Oh boy, I better go digging. Alright, let's see what's down here. Oh, would you look at that? I found some nuts. What the? Did they add radioactive ore to the game, chat? Carrots! I think we need a pickaxe for this. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need a pickaxe. Why is it so hard to mine ore? Dig. Why do I hear an Armstrong? Okay, I hear something up there and I do not like it. Who's there? Oh, no one. How deep does this go? I'm definitely gonna need a drill for this. Oh, I reached stone. Oh yeah, mining. Okay, I think I'm definitely gonna need a drill for that, but let's see what's up here now. See what else is here. So right off the bat, I see something over here. Oh, so this is just mine. It's okay. Then wasn't there a hole up here? Oh, why is there red up there? Let me check. Is it an item? No. It's just red. Live a little, dig a lot? Okay, bro. That's a little... I don't know how we're supposed to dig. Oh. I just clipped through the map. I just clipped through the map. Okay, so down there, you can see there's a side hole that leads somewhere. so let's dig down here. Yep. Already noticing the rocks. Oh, that's cool. What? Wasn't there this time? Oh, I can hear us. Oh, I found him! Hi, Armstrong! What else is in here? Oh, what the? Oh, so this is connected to the mines. Okay. That's cool. Alright, let's keep going. This update, like, is kind of cool, but okay, the umbrella is kind of annoying. I'm gonna just get it out of here. It is like getting really hard to mine right now. Okay, let me turn this off. Oh, it's really dark. Oh yeah, we're digging our way down. Alright, I have no revolver on the left. Oh shoot! What the heck is over here? What was that? I'm scared. Get out! Let me follow it this way. Get this iron out of the way. Oh shoot. Oh, what the heck? Oh, there's more stuff over here. Oh, guys, I'm scared. Oh, it's another pipe. Let me mine up. Let me try that. This update is starting to get really boring. It's getting a little scary though. We're still going. Oh shoot. There's a hole right here. Oh shoot. Oh! I like slipped through a crack in the wall. Okay, this is starting. Oh. What the? Red. Wait. What the heck is that? I keep hearing. Oh shoot. Whoa! Oh. Hello. Oh, he's eating up the... What is he doing? Hello, Mr. Skelly. Oh. He just found me an umbrella. He's so nice. Oh. Maybe that wasn't so scary. Maybe he's just... He was just trying to say hi. Stop. Don't ever hit me again, Poopy. What if I kill him? No, get over here. Stop running. No, get over here. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. I'm seriously getting dizzy. Where does the wood lead to? Wait, what if we give him the carrots? Wait, what if we give him a carrot? Mr. Skeleton? You wanna, oh, my HP is low. Okay, I don't know how this works. Oh. I died! Guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I might do a part 2. This was really weird. And maybe I'll do it with Mr. Cracker, so please like and subscribe and peace out.